68 species in genus Celtis. January 12th, Celtis, the hackberry tree, represents January 12th. Celtis symbolizes endurance and adaptability. You have a strong connection to nature and an ability to thrive in diverse conditions. Like the hackberry, you offer shelter and support to others, standing tall and rooted even in challenging environments. My fascination with the Celtis genus. As a botanist, I've always been drawn to the diversity and resilience of trees. Among my favorites is the Celtis genus, commonly known as hackberries or nettle trees. These deciduous trees, belonging to the Cannabaceae family, yes, the same family as cannabis, are found across the globe, thriving in warm temperate regions of the northern hemisphere. From the streets of Paris to the forests of Japan, Celtis species have adapted to a variety of environments, showcasing their remarkable ability to survive and flourish. A closer look at Celtis. What captivates me most about Celtis is the unique combination of characteristics that define the genus. Their leaves, simple and ovate with serrated edges, often resemble those of elm trees. However, unlike elms, Celtis trees produce small, fleshy fruits that are a valuable food source for birds and other wildlife. These fruits, often called shiga berries, are surprisingly sweet and were even used by Native Americans for medicinal purposes. Another intriguing aspect of Celtis is its resilience. Many species are known for their drought tolerance and ability to withstand harsh urban conditions. This hardiness makes them ideal for city landscaping and reforestation projects. In fact, I've personally witnessed Celtis occidentalis, common hackberry, thriving in the midst of bustling cityscapes, providing much-needed shade and greenery. Diversity within the genus. The Celtis genus boasts a remarkable diversity, with an estimated 68 species spread across the world. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Celtis. Beyond their aesthetic appeal and ecological value, Celtis trees have played a significant role in human history. Their strong, durable wood has been used for centuries to make furniture, tools, and even musical instruments. In some cultures, Celtis trees have also held cultural and spiritual significance. Today, Celtis species continue to be valued for their environmental benefits. Their ability to tolerate pollution and drought makes them crucial for urban forestry and combating the effects of climate change. Furthermore, their fruits provide a valuable food source for wildlife, contributing to the biodiversity of our ecosystems. My continued exploration. My journey with Celtis is far from over. I'm eager to continue exploring the lesser-known species, delve deeper into their ecological roles, and perhaps even contribute to their conservation. The Celtis genus, with its remarkable resilience, adaptability, and ecological importance, serves as a constant reminder of the wonders of the natural world and the intricate connections that bind us all.